Как поживаешь? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Как жизнь? How is life? How is life? How is life? Как делишки? How are things? How are things? How are things? Как оно? How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? Прекрасно, спасибо. I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Я в норме, спасибо. I'm okay, thanks. I'm okay, thanks. I'm okay, thanks. Неплохо, спасибо. Not too bad, thanks. Not too bad, thanks. Not too bad, thanks. В порядке, спасибо. All right, thanks. All right, thanks. All right, thanks. Не особо хорошо. Not so well. Not so well. Not so well. Как насчет тебя? How about you? How about you? How about you? А ты? And you? And you? And you? А сам? And yourself? And yourself? And yourself? Где ты? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Я дома. I'm at home. I'm at home. I'm at home. Я на работе. I'm at work. I'm at work. I'm at work. Я в школе. I'm at school. I'm at school. I'm at school. Я в городе. I'm in town. I'm in town. I'm in town. Я на море. I'm at sea. I'm at sea. I'm at sea. Я в магазине. I'm at the shop. I'm at the shop. I'm at the shop. Я в поезде. I'm on a train. I'm on a train. I'm on a train. Я в кинотеатре. I'm in a movie theater. I'm in a movie theater. I'm in a movie theater. У тебя есть планы на лето? Do you have any plans for the summer? Do you have any plans for the summer? Do you have any plans for the summer? Когда ты планируешь жениться? When are you planning to get married? When are you planning to get married? When are you planning to get married? Что ты делаешь на Рождество? What are you doing for Christmas? What are you doing for Christmas? What are you doing for Christmas? Где живут твои родители? Where do your parents live? Where do your parents live? Where do your parents live? Мой отец сильный мужчина. My father is strong man. My father is strong man. My father is strong man. Моя мама очень красивая женщина. My mother is a very beautiful woman. My mother is a very beautiful woman. My mother is a very beautiful woman. Чем занимается твой отец? What does your father do? What does your father do? What does your father do? Чем занимается твоя мама? What does your mother do? What does your mother do? Где они работают? Where does they work? Where does they work? Where does they work? Моя мама стюардесса. My mom is a stewardess. My mom is a stewardess. My mom is a stewardess. Мой отец водитель грузовика. My dad is a truck driver. My dad is a truck driver. My dad is a truck driver. У вас есть дети? Have you got kids? Have you got kids? Have you got kids? У меня есть мальчик и девочка. I've got a boy and a girl. I've got a boy and a girl. I've got a boy and a girl. У меня маленький ребенок. I've got a young baby. I've got a young baby. У меня 3 детей. I've got 3 kids. I've got 3 kids. I've got 3 kids. У тебя есть домашние животные? Have you got any pets? Have you got any pets? Have you got any pets? У меня есть собака и 2 кошки. I've got a dog and 2 cats. I've got a dog and 2 cats. I've got a dog and 2 cats. Я холост, я не замужем. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. Я помолвлен. I'm engaged. I'm engaged. I'm engaged. Я женат, я замужем. I'm married. I'm married. I'm married. Я в разводе. I'm divorced. I'm divorced. I'm divorced. Я расстался. I'm separated. I'm separated. I'm separated. У тебя есть парень? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? У тебя есть девушка? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Ты холостой? Ты не замужняя? Are you single? Are you single? Are you single? Ты женат? Ты замужем? Are you married? Are you married? Are you married? Ты с кем-нибудь встречаешься? Are you seeing anyone? Are you seeing anyone? Are you seeing anyone? Сколько тебе лет? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Мне 22 года. I'm 22. I'm 22. I'm 22. Subscribe to the channel. I will wait you in the new videos.